whenever the war is over, then there'll be more layoffs and this type of stuff.
If we have to depend on war, we're in sad shape in this country. You know, that's really the argument that the communists make. They say our society won't work unless we have a war going on. Now, frankly, I don't believe that. At the end of World War II, which is the war I participated in, we had full employment after that war. And the reason is that we set about doing the things we needed to do that we couldn't do with the war on. Now, those problems are still here. We need new housing, new environmental protection programs, and if we stop the waste that's going on in this war, we can provide a job for every man and woman who wants to work. And I'm pledged to that.
McGovern, Democrat, for the people. The people are paying for this campaign with their hard-earned dollars. Send what you can to McGovern for President, Washington, D.C.